Hi everyone, I'm Piotr and today I'm going to introduce you to our fantastic coffee products. Whether you're a coffee aficionado or not, you are going to learn a lot from what we offer. So the very first thing we have is a coffee machine from Tortorici. It's a very famous Italian brand with a history of over 100 years. Imagine that. Another product for our fantastic coffee machine, we're using these coffee beans called Tortorici Cafe. This is a brand coming from Italy and we are sole importer of this. And to match it all together, we also designed and actually developed a brand new cup from our brand Cupacraft, which can hold your coffee hot for longer than you can ever imagine.